Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download BitTorrent for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download BitTorrent for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of BitTorrent, since that's where we can download the app. So just search for BitTorrent.com on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download BitTorrent on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the versions of BitTorrent you can download right here at the bottom. So among these options, I want you to select the BitTorrent Classic since this is the app version for PC or laptop. And then click the free download button. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of BitTorrent. So here at the downloading page, you will be able to see different plans of BitTorrent versions you can download. Each plan offers different privileges on using the app, for which you will be able to see right here. But in exchange, you will need to pay for this. But since we want to download BitTorrent for free, we will select the free version. And after that, your BitTorrent installer will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to agree to their license and privacy policy, so just click the agree button to proceed. And then just keep clicking the next button until the app starts to install. And after that, the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your BitTorrent installed on your device, so you can now start using the app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.